Looking for the best camera phone that truly stands out? You're in the right place. On this channel, we upload quality videos every day to help you get clear, honest ideas about the latest and best products out there. In today's video, we'll break down the top camera phones so you can choose the perfect one for your needs. If this sounds helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for daily updates. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra has an improved 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, which is an impressive boost against the previous 12-megapixel quality, though the bar was already set pretty high with the S24 Ultra. So did Samsung really need to top it? During my review of the S25 Ultra, I noted that there might be only minimal differences on paper between this latest flagship and last year's S24 series, but in actuality, the image quality was much better than I ever expected, with a clear quality boost. I found that the S25 Ultra delivered superb low-light quality images, even in the darkest conditions, like at concerts and live shows. And the quad camera array gives you real shooting flexibility in every situation. Galaxy AI Photo Assist and generative edit features with the S25 series offer a host of photography tools to help you create your best work and take it to new levels, while it has an AI watermark embedded into the metadata for ultimate transparency. Number 2. Google Pixel 8a. The Google Pixel 8a is an excellent budget-friendly camera phone that delivers strong photography and AI features at a much lower price than flagship models. Officially priced at $499 or £499, it has frequently dropped significantly in sales, making it an outstanding value. Despite its lower cost, it includes popular AI tools such as Magic Editor, Magic Eraser, Best Take, Photo Unblurring, and astrophotography, offering powerful editing support for smartphone photographers. While it lacks newer features like the Pixel 9's Add Me mode, it still performs impressively. The 64MP main camera captures detailed images and supports 4K video at 60 FPS. Build quality is more modest, using recycled plastic materials, but Google's promise of 7 years of software updates ensures long-term usability, making the Pixel 8a a smart, sustainable, and capable choice for budget-conscious creators. Number 3. Google Pixel 9 Pro. The latest range of smartphones from Google, equipped with Gemini AI, the Google Pixel 9 Pro, very much goes all in on its generative features. If you don't like the sound of an AI assistant asking you every 2 seconds if it can help you with your tasks, this may not be the phone for you. But for those who are excited by AI, it feels like the phone of the future. Of course, photography features haven't been neglected. Whether you want to remove objects from images with Magic Eraser or not, you'll still appreciate the quality of the triple camera setup, with a 50MP main camera, 48MP ultra-wide, and 48MP telephoto. Having 8K 30p video is also a major upgrade from the Pixel 8 Pro. There's an argument to be made that Google bit off a little more than it could chew here. While impressive, the AI features put a big strain on the Pixel 9 Pro's Tensor G4 chipset, leading to performance lag and overheating issues, as we found in our review. Number 4. Xiaomi 15. Our Tech Reviews editor, Erlinger Einarsson, reviews a lot of phones. It's a large part of his whole deal. When it comes to phones, it takes a lot to impress him. So when he starts throwing around phrases like immensely powerful and impeccably designed, and I never want to see a Samsung or iPhone ever again, it's worth paying attention. And so, we come to the Xiaomi 15, the latest flagship handset from the upstart Chinese firm looking to take a bite out of the premium smartphone market. Pairing top-end computing horsepower with high-quality cameras built around Leica-made tech, Xiaomi phones have been getting more and more attention with every release. The 15 is the one that deserves to go stratospheric. Number 5. Sony Xperia 1 XII. Sony is well known for making some of the best and most popular digital cameras money can buy. However, that expertise has never quite translated to its smartphone range, which remains a rare sight in the wild. Do you know anyone who owns one? Despite this, the Xperia smartphones are getting better and better with every iteration. And the Sony Xperia 1VI is our pick as the best premium camera phone. It's not quite as smooth to use as a Samsung Galaxy or an iPhone. But Lord, are those cameras something special. The triple camera array spots 3 smart lenses, a 16mm equivalent, 24mm, and an 85 to 170mm optical zoom. The real revelation, though, comes when you depress the shutter button and get an honest-to-goodness autofocus system. The kind with 399 AF points, the kind you'd see in an alpha mirrorless camera. For any serious photographer, that is pretty exciting.